Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X2 Neo, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications straight from the top, then extend the list of toggles, and on one of the pages you should have a Do Not Disturb mode. For me, it's on the second page right over here. So once you find your toggles, you can hold it, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode actually functions. So you would only need to do that once, and once you're in here you have a couple options like schedule. So this will allow you to set up a schedule, and it will turn on and off your Do Not Disturb mode automatically. Now if you're planning to use that, just make sure you enable it right here, and that's all you would be enabling. The phone would do the rest. Now going back, we have allow notifications, so you can select what apps can give you notifications, allow messages from, so who can message you or call you, and then also last option, ring for repeated callers. So if someone calls you twice within a 3-minute period, they will bypass whatever you have selected right here. And then silent media when Do Not Disturb mode is on. So just customize it to your liking. From there, close this and you don't have to come back here ever again. And when you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode manually, all you do is find a toggle, tap on it, select turn on, and as you can see, it is now enabled. Now if you're enabling it manually, you'll also need to remember about turning it off. Otherwise the mode would be enabled permanently, so it's probably not something that you might want. And to turn it off, just find the toggle once more, tap on it, and there you go. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.